Welcome to math class again. And today we were going to discuss about sets and set concepts. So today is Wednesday, August 11, 2021, and we have 9 o'clock to 9:30 in the morning as our schedule. So a set. What is a set? Will you read, Prince? What is a set?
A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects or things.
Okay, thank you. Again, tandaan nyo dito, a set is a well-defined. So, kapag hindi well-defined yung mga objects or yung mga collection of distinct objects or yung kahit na ano man yan, kapag hindi yan well-defined, halimbawa, set of teachers. Teachers saan? 'Di ba? There are many teachers. So, hindi natin ma-define lahat ng mga teachers o hindi natin maibibigay lahat ng mga teachers, 'di ba? So that is not a set. Kasi nga hindi siya well-defined. Buti pa kung sinabing set of teachers or set of APCSI teachers or set of teachers in APCSI. So you can determine or identify the teachers in APCSI. So that is a kind of set or that is an example. Halimbawa, set of students. Is that a set? No, kasi hindi mo naman maibibigay lahat ng mga students. Pero kapag pinalitan mo siya, halimbawa, set of grade 7 students in APCSI. So, maibibigay mo yung mga elements. Okay? So, ano ba yung sinasabi nating elements? So, an element is a member of a set. For example, set of grade 7 students in APCSI. So, an example of element in that set is Mervy, Tony, Angel, Rihanna, and so on. Okay? Yun yung tinatawag nating element. And we have also a subset. A subset is a part of a given set. Halimbawa, nabanggit ko kanina, si Mervy, si Angel, Rihanna, and si Tony. So kapag yon yung mga elements na ibinigay, that is a subset of the set of grade 7 students in APCSI. So part lang siya nung given set. Halimbawa, yung mga set A is, let's say for example, mga colors. For example, we have red, blue, and green. So ang subset doon is red. O kaya, kung gusto mo pagsamahin, blue and green. Okay, yung part lang nung given set. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Opo.
Okay. So now we have a null set. It is a set without an element. Okay? So ibig sabihin, empty. Walang laman yung isang set. Okay. So next, in describing a set, the listing method and the set builder notation can be used. Okay? So again, in describing a set, you can use listing method, yung ililista mo lahat ng mga elements, and also yung set builder notation na i-discuss natin later on. So next is a universal set. It is a set from which all elements in a problem can be obtained. And it is denoted by U, yung capital letter U. Okay? Yan yung symbol for universal set. Again, all elements, okay, in a problem can be obtained. Kung dun sa null set without element, dito naman all elements. Okay, that is the difference of null set and universal set. So, for example, we have this universal set. Set U, or the universal set, is equal to the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 20. Okay? And from the given universal set, we can write many sets. So I will give some example of subsets in this given universal set. So for example, let's say we have set A equals, so ano yung magiging subset? Dapat part siya ng ating set, which is the universal set. So let's say for example, si 0, that is a part of this set. Okay, halimbawa, let's say B. We have, let's say yung mga even numbers. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, ano pa, 14. Then, 16 hanggang maabot natin yung sa 20. 18. Okay? So that is, ay, bakit hindi ko sinama yung 20?
Teacher, nawalan po kami ng nawalan po kami ng power.
Power? Okay lang, nak. Sige, recorded naman yung ating meeting.
Sorry po. Nawalan po kami ng power.
Okay, nak. Thank you for that information. We cannot control that. Okay? So this set B na merong mga elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, that is also a subset. Okay? Teacher, pwede po bang kahit ilan yung elements? Yes. Okay? Yan yung tinatawag nating cardinality. Yung cardinality, yun yung number of elements in a set. For example, in set A, what is the cardinality of a set? Ilan yung element or elements dun sa given set. So, isa lang. So, therefore, the cardinality of a set is 1. Okay? So, dito naman sa set B, ilan yung mga elements na meron sa set B?
10.
So, very good. We have 10. Therefore, the cardinality of set B is 10. Again, kapag tinitignan mo yung number of elements in a set, what is that? We have, ano yun? The number of elements in a set refers to what?
Cardinality.
Very good. The cardinality of a set. And then, ano ang tawag dito sa mga binigay nating set na ito? Yung part ng ating universal set?
Subset.
Subsets. Okay, very good. Next, a set can be described like what I've said a while ago in 2 ways, either by listing method or set builder notation. Meron tayong mga ibang term dyan. Okay, so let's have the listing method first. This method of describing a set is also called the roster method, wherein all elements of the set are listed. Okay, so nakalista lahat ng mga elements dun sa ating set. For example, this is a set A is a set of all vowels of the English alphabet. So, ililista natin yung mga elements. Okay, so we have set A. Ano ba yung mga vowels sa English alphabet? We have A, E, I, O, U. So, nilista natin isa-isa yung ating mga elements. And then, we used, ano kasing tawag sa ating mga symbol na to? Braces. Very good. And then, elements are separated by what? Comma. Very good. So, yan ang tinatawag nating listing method or what we called roster method. Okay. Next naman, we have the set builder notation. This method of describing a set uses a rule. Okay, ginagamitan natin siya ng rule. That is why it is also called rule method. So example nito, we have set A is equal to the elements of X such that X, ganun natin siya babasahin. So we have X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. So hindi natin nilista yung mga elements. Instead, naglagay lang tayo ng rule na yung mga elements daw are vowels of the English alphabet. Okay? Ulitin ko, that is a set builder notation or rule method. Pero kung ililista natin yung ating mga elements, yun yung nabanggit kanina, that is a listing method or roster method. Clear ba? Dun sa difference ng mga methods of describing a set?
Opo.
Okay. So ngayon, we need to determine whether the set is a subset of universal set, wherein yung elements ng ating universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4 until 20. So let's check and determine if the following set are subset of universal set. So let's answer. In this first set, we have set D equals X such that X is an odd number. Diba? Familiar naman sa odd number. Those numbers are not divisible by 2. Okay, but meron pa siyang isang rule. Odd number less than 20. What are the odd numbers less than 20? We have 1, 3,
3,
5,
5,
7,
9,
9,
11,
11,
11, 13,
13,
15,
15,
17,
17,
19.
19. Very good. So, ito bang mga elements ng ating set D are subset of this universal set? Nakapaloob ba sila dito sa ating 1 to 20?
Opo.
Therefore,
Opo.
it is a subset or not?
It's a subset.
Subset.
Very
It's a
good. So,
subset.
it's a subset. How about set F? We have elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It is a subset of set U or not?
It is a subset.
Very good. Kasi nakapaloob yung 1 to 5 dito sa ating universal set. How about set G? We have X such that X is an even number. When we say even number, that numbers are divisible by 2. Pero meron pa siyang isang rule. Greater than 20. What are the even numbers greater than 20? We have 22,
22.
24, and so on.
26.
Is that a subset of the universal set?
Hindi
No.
po. Nakalabas
No.
po siya.
Yes, it's not included. Okay, that's why it's not a subset of universal set. Next, set K, meron siyang mga elements of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is that a subset of universal set?
Opo.
Yes.
Is it
Po.
yes? Tignan natin yung
Yes.
mga
Hindi
elements.
po.
We have 0 here. Meron ba tayong 0 sa universal set?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Wala. That's why it's not a subset. So, be careful dun sa mga elements. Okay? Next, set M, meron siya mga elements of 4, 7, 9, 2, 7, 1, or 19, and 21. Is it a subset?
No.
What is the reason?
No
Number
po.
ko siya sa 20.
Lumampas po siya
Yes,
sa 21.
meron
May
siyang
20.
21. That's why it's not a subset. Next, set A is equal to the elements of X such that X is a factor of 20. Will you give me a factor of 20? Ano yung mga factor ng 20? Yun yung mga divisible by 20. We can say 1. Ano pa? 2, is it
5.
a factor? O 5. How about
10.
10.
yes, 10. What more?
2.
2. What more? 4. Very good. And then, yung 20 itself, di ba? So, nakapaloob kaya sila? Is it a subset of the universal set?
Opo.
Very good. How about set L? X such that X is a multiple of 2. Ano ba yung mga multiple of 2? Pero less than 15. Ano ba yung mga multiple of 2? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Less than 15. So, is it a subset of universal set?
Opo.
Very
Opo.
good. Last, set R, we have an elements of 5, 10, 15 until 25.
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Hindi po.
Ayun, nagsulat na si Tony kasi meron tayong 25. Okay, I'm glad that you understand the subset. Okay, so now we need to write 10 subsets of the given universal set. Prepare a clean paper and pen. You need to write 10 subsets of this universal set. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Remember that a subset, we can have a null set, 1, cardinality, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, dapat hindi lang lalagpas dito sa ating number or cardinality of this universal set. You may now start doing this activity.